left the runner. Yo, I'll tell you what. It's just gonna sound so crazy, but have you ever traded on TradingView? Not TradingView, on TradingView?
No.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I hated it, but there's one prop that I'm not even gonna say the name, but they don't have TradingView, so I've been trading on TradingView with them. I'm kind of liking it because all your indicators are on the chart, and it's like easy to put your stops where you want to put your stops. It's easy if listen, it's not for scalping, but if you're gonna get in and kind of leave your thing running for a little bit, it's pretty good because you know exactly where you want to buy, where you want to get out, where you want to sell. They run it through AMP somehow. So basically you sign in a CQG or QCGQ in AMP. So basically you just hit the trade button, you sign up as AMP. And then, it's pretty cool. They say, I mean, obviously I wouldn't scalp in there, but I'm going to say, I put it like this. I've gotten 4 funded accounts. 2 of them got a payout already. And I have another one.
And you think the only reason why you got payouts is because you were trading on TradingView?
So you know what I notice is I hold for bigger gains. I'm not getting in and out on TradingView. TradingView. I'm getting in and I let it run, and like my average TP has got to be like $250 to $400. While like I'll sit on TradingView and take $80 sometimes, but I'll never do that in TradingView. I let the winners run. And I just noticed that out of the amount of accounts I have, the amount of payouts I'm getting is, if you're hitting a 50% payout rate on your accounts, and like, listen, I still have 2 that are now over the buffer, so those can get more. Like my payout rate per could be 60 or 70%. Like,
yeah,
it's. I find it to be interesting because I'm not into TradingView, but I don't know. I have everything on there, so it kind of makes sense. And I think the biggest thing is it just comes down to I'm just holding winners.
Well, here's what I was going to ask. And before I do, what up, Rick?
What up, Rick?
And Sean said the fills are slow as fuck, but I guess if you're not scalping, you'd be all right. But here's the question. I know you trade on the 1 minute on TradeView.
I'm on the 5.
You're on the 5 on TradeView?
I'm on 5 on TradingView. That's the difference.
There's the difference.
Yeah.
That's why you're holding trades longer.
Bro, ever since I'm
getting fucked around with these fucking 40-point candles, you don't care because you're on the 5 minute. You're looking at a larger time frame. So I don't know if it's so much the platform more so than
the thing.
Looking at it, yeah.
I probably pulled up the 5 minute ever since gold. So you trade gold a lot. Gold to me kind of died out about 3 weeks ago, a month ago, where it's kind of not as good as it used to be. And ever since then, I've moved to the 5 minute NQ chart. And I use a change in state delivery indicator to help me out. And basically, I just trade change of state along with fair value gap inversions on the 5. Bro, straight cash. I mean, obviously, they're not $8,000 payouts, but literally every day in the last 2 weeks, I've taken a payout except one day. And today I've taken 2 out. So it kind of evens out. But I've just noticed the difference. I got a payout of short I'm dropping today. And you hear Sean like, oh, you're actually holding it. And I was like, I was literally holding because I was looking at the 5 minute chart. And it was a game changer for me personally. And now I got a couple strategies I'm letting go, and it's on the 15 minute chart. And that is interesting as well. But, I'll dig into that at another time when I clean it up. But yeah, man, it was crazy. It was crazy. I don't know. It's just like, when you find that one thing that, I don't want to say clicks, because obviously I was doing well before, but my biggest thing was always not holding trades. So now,
yeah, same here.
When you're holding the trade and you get $450 trading 5 micros, I mean, your day is done in the account because there are consistency rules. Yeah, it's been. I'm gonna hold the freaking some big trades going forward. I want to see what happens. Actually, I would have got in. Yeah, I mean, shit. It lined up for me. I got it up on my chart right now. Like, dude, I would have held from the bottom today.
That was a 7th ounce, I think. Was that the bottom? I'm trying to think of where I was looking at it earlier today.
485 would have been my entry.
Oh, I'm thinking of this plug right here. 590.
Yeah.